Welcome back to SpiritLifter. It's December, and while a glass of mulled glühwein is easy enough to enjoy, I more look forward to seasonal brewed treats, such as the one featured today. Radeberger, the largest German-owned brewing conglomerate, has dozens of labels to its name. Among these is Binding, a brand you will see just about everywhere across Frankfurt and its surroundings. The brewery traces its origins to Conrad Binding, who acquired a small brewery in the old town of Frankfurt in 1870. Although Binding is scheduled to move production outside the city by 2023, they have and will continue to produce Carolus for the wintertime, and just as well, because it pairs fantastically with the cold. According to Binding, Carolus first slaked thirst on January 28, 1902. This date and the name were chosen to honor the founder of the city of Frankfurt, Charlemagne, whose Latin name at his imperial coronation was Carolus. The brewers described this Doppelbock simply as der Starke, or the strong one. Judging strictly by its alcoholic strength, it fits, as it clocks in at 7.5% by volume. Carolus goes into the glass a dark reddish-brown hue with just a slightly beige head. Like many other Doppelbocks, the scents are mostly malt-forward, with sweet caramel shining brightest. Give it a sip, and you may question if it is in fact as strong as advertised. If you throw caution to the wind, however, you'll feel its strength come through as you find yourself suddenly feeling warmer. At the risk of sounding like a broken record, enjoy Carolus with what's available at Christmas markets. That more likely than not means sausages, fries, or perhaps even eggs and potatoes doused in Grießsoße, the local name for a sauce made with cream, parsley, dill, leeks, and other herbs. The creaminess of this sauce will stand up to the strength of the Doppelbock, and it appropriately brings together two Frankfurt institutions for your dining pleasure. Thank you kindly for watching. What are some of your favorite winter beers like Carolus? Are you a fan of Doppelbock, its spicy cousin Weizenbock? Or are you maybe partial to winter warmers? Let me know about them in the comments below. Next week has a cider on the docket. Until we raise a glass together again, my friends.